Hello and welcome to your online classes once again. So today we will see your grammar, the chapter 4 articles. So in this video we will see some rules about the articles. Rule number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rules we will discuss here in this video. So without wasting our time, now we will start. So once again and welcome in this lesson. I will teach you the 7 rules that you need to know how using articles in English correctly. Articles are the words a, an and the. So first rule is about where to use a and where to use an. So rule number 1 is use a before a consonant sound n and before a vowel sound. So in all of these words you see that they start with a consonant sound. So rule number first, use a before consonant sound, use n before vowel sound. You can see a cat, a dog, a house, a tree, an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. A cat. So cat start k. Okay. Dog. A dog. Dog start with da. A boy. A boy is ba. Okay. A girl. Girl is go. A house. House ha. Tree with ta. Tree. A tree. Ta with sound will come. So we say a cat, a dog, a house, a girl, a tree. Okay. So now we see, notice that in the natural speech we don't say a, we say a. Next you see that they all start with a vowel sound like apple. So we will start with an apple, a, engineer, a, ice cream, I, old, old, an old man, and umbrella. So this rule number first, we see all this vowel sound and consonant sound. So we say an apple, an engineer. In speech we don't say n, we say un. Let's do exercise. You say 10 items on your screen. Okay. For each one I want you to say if you would use a n before it. Stop the video, think about it, then play video again and check it. Okay. So this exercise do by yourself. So I want to tell you the item number 7 to 10. I want to focus item number 7 to 10 because these are the little tricky, because number 7 is a university, because even though university start with the letter U, the first sound of the word is not vowel sound. We don't say university, we say university. Okay, so that the first sound is a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we say a university. Number 8. The similarly the word European start with a Y sound, so a European tour. 9. The spelling has N H at the start, but the H is silent. We don't say R, we say R. R, okay, R, okay, an R's. The first sound is N, O sound, which is a vowel sound. So this is an R. Okay, let's move on the rule number 2. I hope you understand this one. The rule number 2, use a or an only with the continent nouns. So you can see the rule number 2, use a or an, only use singular countable nouns. We say that a noun is countable. If we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, an hour, an elephant, a car, a teacher, an onion, a Spanish omelette, and interesting stories. Okay, all of these words on the screen are countable. We can say one elephant, three cars, 10 teachers, 500 onions, and so on. Now, if you talk about the person, thing, like one elephant or one car, then that's called a singular noun. And if you say 10 teachers or 500 onions, those are called plural nouns. Like water, sugar, it's uncountable nouns, cannot be counted in this way. Noun like water, sugar, coffee, if you think about it, you cannot say I drank. Okay, I drank 4 waters or I want 8 milks. To a person, you can say I love you, but you can't say I have love. Understand? So these are the things we should be clear about the about the articles and how to use it correctly. So you can see all these uncountables, like a person who can say I love you, but you can't say I have a 5 loves for you. That does not make any sense. So these are all uncountable. Alright, so the rule number is you can only use a and an if you are talking about one person or one thing. So uh, write the note. The articles the can be used with all kinds of nouns, singular or plural, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, so I hope you understand this. So let's now talk about how to choose between a or an and the. So rule number 3 we can see here. Use a or an. Use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to you listener. Use the to talk about a person or the things known to your listener. You can see the example. With the example we can see and understand it, like I first one, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old but the laptop is brand new. I say a PC and a laptop because that's the first time I'm mentioning the 2 computers. That is, until this point, they are unknown to you, thus listener, but now I can say the PC is quite old but the laptop is brand new. When I say the PC, you know which one I'm talking about. My sister PC, and the same thing goes for the laptop. So the PC and the laptop are now known to you. That's why I'm using second times the. In English, a and n are called indefinite articles because they talk about something that the listener does not know about it. Okay, and the is a definite article because the listener know what you are referring to. मतलब you telling it कि what is that. Understand? I hope you clear the fourth one or third one also. Now we see the rule number 4. 4 rule number telling to us use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. See the example. Do you have a pencil? Do you have the pencil that Joy gave you? If I ask you this question, then it probably means I need a pencil to write with. Now I say a pencil because I mean any pencil. I don't care about any one specific pencil. Compare this to the next sentence, like do you have the pencil that Joy gave you? Here I'm referring to a specific pencil. Okay. So second one, I want to buy an apartment. An apartment means I have not decided which apartment. Maybe I have not even started looking for one. But I just know that I want to buy some apartment. But look at this, the next sentence. I want to buy the apartment that we visited. Okay. So you know which apartment I'm talking about. And here's one last example. If you are feeling sick, you should go and see a doctor. Okay. So we are saying this to give advice to a friend who is not feeling very well. Here we don't know means go and see a specific doctor. We mean any doctor. But let's say your friend takes your advice and go to a doctor. When you see your friend again, you might ask, what did the doctor say? Why are we saying the doctor? Because we mean that the specific doctor who the friend visited. Okay, so notice again that we use a or an when we are talking about a person or thing in a journal and not a specific person or thing. For that we use the. Alright, let's move on the next rule in the next video. I hope you understand this all the rules, how to use the articles and and the. If you any doubt you can see again. And this one exercise a or an I will give answer in your home learning one, so you can see it there. Please you stop this video and listen carefully. If you any doubt you can ask me, I will explain you once again. So till then, take care and have a nice day. Next video I will complete is all rules. Take care, have a nice day.